Greetings and welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your best guide to worldwide adventures. Today we're going to explore the fascinating facets of Wisconsin, a state known for its diverse culture, landscapes, and culinary delights. So buckle up as we take you on a virtual tour of the Dairy State. Our first stop is Milwaukee, Wisconsin's largest city. Nestled along the southwestern shore of Lake Michigan, Milwaukee is a city that thrives on the blend of its rich history and vibrant contemporary culture. Known as the Brew City, it boasts a brewing heritage that dates back more than a century. But Milwaukee isn't just about beer. It's a city of festivals, with the renowned Summerfest Music Festival drawing countless music lovers from all corners of the globe every year. And let's not forget its world-class museums like the Milwaukee Art Museum that house thousands of works from antiquity to the present day. In Milwaukee, there's always something new to discover. So, buckle up as we continue to explore what makes Wisconsin so unique on Traveling Kangaroo. Next, we navigate to the Great Lakes region. Wisconsin is graced by two of the 5 Great Lakes, Lake Michigan and Lake Superior. These vast bodies of water are not just stunning natural wonders, they play an integral role in the state's economy and recreational activities. Lake Michigan's shoreline is a hub for trade and industry, while its beaches and marinas attract sunseekers and boating enthusiasts. On the other hand, Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area, offers unparalleled fishing opportunities and mesmerizing views. Year-round, these lakes serve as the backdrop for countless memorable experiences. From tranquil boat rides under the summer sun to ice fishing in the heart of winter, the Great Lakes really are, well, great. Now, we milk our way to Wisconsin's dairy industry. Known as America's Dairyland, Wisconsin takes the crown for being the nation's leading state in cheese production. Here, the art of cheesemaking is not just a profession, but a way of life. With over 600 varieties, types, and styles of cheese, this state offers a cheesy paradise for all dairy lovers. From cheddar to Gouda, mozzarella to Blue, every cheese has a story in Wisconsin. Wisconsin, where every day is a Gouda day. Let's move to Green Bay, home of the legendary Packers. This city breathes football, with its history interwoven in the threads of the Packers' jerseys. Born in 1919, the Packers have since been a symbol of unwavering dedication and spirit, inspiring fans nationwide. The cheers echoing from the Lambeau Field are a testament to the city's deep-rooted football culture. For the locals, the Packers aren't just a team, they're family. In Green Bay, football isn't just a sport, it's a way of life. Next, we pour into Wisconsin's beer culture. Known as the Brew State, Wisconsin boasts a rich heritage of brewing, dating back to the early settlers. Today, this tradition continues with a plethora of craft breweries dotting the state. From Milwaukee to Madison, each brewery tells a unique story of creativity and passion. And let's not forget the vibrant beer festivals, where locals and tourists alike celebrate this age-old craft. In Wisconsin, there's always time for a good brewski. Now, we splash into Wisconsin Dells. Known as the Waterpark capital of the world, this city is a paradise for thrill seekers and water lovers alike. From the adrenaline-pumping slides of Noah's Ark, the largest water park in the nation, to the relaxing, lazy rivers of Kalahari Resort, there's something for everyone. And it's not just about the water parks. The Dells also offers a plethora of outdoor activities like canoeing, fishing, and hiking. Wisconsin Dells, where fun and adventure flow like water. Next, we venture into Madison, Wisconsin's vibrant capital. Nestled between 4 sparkling lakes, Madison is a city that breathes life. Every corner hums with energy, from its bustling farmers market bursting with fresh produce, to the iconic state capitol building standing tall against the city's skyline. The lakes are the city's heartbeat, their waters reflecting Madison's dynamic spirit. Whether it's the tranquility of the lakes or the vivacity of urban life, Madison offers a blend of both worlds. Madison, a city that's truly capital. Now, we delve into Wisconsin's rich Native American heritage. The state's history is deeply intertwined with the vibrant cultures of the Native American tribes that first called this land home. These tribes, including the Ojibwe, Menominee, and Ho-Chunk, have profoundly shaped Wisconsin, from its place names to its traditions. Their influence is still palpable today, in the form of powwows, art, food, and more. This rich tapestry of cultures makes Wisconsin a fascinating place to explore. Wisconsin, where the past meets the present. Next, we wade into Wisconsin's cranberry bogs. These vibrant red berries are more than just a state fruit. They're a symbol of Wisconsin's agricultural prowess. Every autumn, the state comes alive with the hustle and bustle of the cranberry harvest. This annual event is celebrated with the Cranberry Festival, a jubilant affair where locals and visitors alike can partake in cranberry-themed festivities. From cranberry pies to cranberry wine, you'll find it all here. In Wisconsin, cranberries aren't just a fruit, they're a tradition. Finally, we sail to the Apostle Islands. This archipelago of 22 islands on Lake Superior is a spectacle of nature's grandeur. Imagine kayaking through the mesmerizing sea caves, sculpted by the relentless waves over millennia. Picture pristine beaches, lush forests, and, of course, the historic lighthouses standing sentinel over the lake's azure expanse. These lighthouses, some dating back to the mid-19th century, are a beacon of Wisconsin's rich maritime history. The Apostle Islands, Wisconsin's hidden gem. And that's a wrap on our Wisconsin tour. From Milwaukee's brews to Madison's lakes, the vibrant Native American culture, the tasty dairy and cranberries, to the thrilling Packers and Apostle Islands. Thanks for joining Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other adventures at travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.